Hello everybody, this is Johnny S with another vlog video. Today's video is a little bit strange. I'm sorry if you can see some things in the background. My room is not the cleanest of the room, but I try to keep it as minimal as I can. I've got the camera a little bit on a wider angle, let's say, because I want to showcase one of the products. You'll understand from the title that I got. I don't know if this is a worldwide brand or if it's only in Greece, but I'll mention it. I'll do the video both in English and in Greek, because in the case that it is available to other people. So what we're talking about today, we're talking about the motorcycle slash ATV's body armor, protective armor, what you want to call it. Usually the people that are wearing this type of suits, which are on the outside plastic, we're talking about off-road usage. But that does not limit it to only off-road usage, because I've seen some comments which is like, yeah, why did you get this? That's for like cross bikes and shit like that. Like, fucking wake the fuck up, you know what I mean? You can wear whatever the fuck you want as long as it covers your needs. And the basic need was that in order to have a layer of protection with as much perforation as possible, sorry for the smoke, due to the warm weather, okay? Now, a summer jacket, obviously, it has perforations, but it's not to the level of this. Another comment that I heard is that if you go down with that, the fabric is going to tear and it's not, you know, friction free and so forth. Yeah, all jackets, even summer jackets, if you're going to wear them and you go down, the material, unless you've paid God knows what, and it's like Gore-Tex or some shit, is not going to be frictionless. You know what I mean? It's going to get ripped. The point is that if you do go down, you're going to have some sort of protections. The protections usually used in these type of body armors are considered to be level 2 and above, and the reason for that is because they have an outer hard plastic shell. The price range that we're talking about these are around on the 230 to 280 euro. Usually the biggest brand, the most known brand is Alpine Stars, okay? I was considering to go into the process of buying it, but I came across an excellent product, which I have tested multiple times on the road and so forth. Obviously I haven't fallen with it, okay, but it seems to be good. And if I tell you the price of this is what will make you will bake your noodles, you know what I mean? It was 40 euro, okay, and this is something, and why you might hear a sort of a tone in my voice, is because people have gone fucking haywire. People are playing fucking brands. I'm not saying that there's not a difference in quality when it comes to Alpine Stars, when it comes to like Denise, but fucking, you know, calm your horses. You're just going off-board. You're not playing gold. It's a thin elastic fabric with a couple of fucking protectives onto it. Are you going to use better protectives? Are you going to use a better sewing machine? Is the thin elastic fabric going to be a little bit more good quality? Okay, double the price, triple the price. 40 euros is what I got this for. And to be exact, 41. Make it 80, make it 100, make it 120, up to there. Not 280, not like, what the fuck, what have you been smoking? I know I'm smoking, but are you smoking also? So, chill your fucking horses. I was not gonna get anything if I had not found that, but out of curiosity, I had a little bit of research and I was searching online just to see how many different protective body armors there are, and there are alternatives. There are many alternatives. You can get separate pieces which can strap onto you. There's other alternatives which maximum, again, with 100 to 110, 120 euro, you can get the full suit. Now, what's the application of this? You can wear it outside your shirt. Like most of the rides that I've done, I wore it outside of my shirt as I'm going to work, as a layer of protection. It's something which is comfortable. You're free to move. I will show cases. That's why the camera is a little bit on a further angle. You can wear it as a protective sort of gear, or you can wear it as an undergarment. So you put like a thin t-shirt, you put that on, and then you put your sweater. If you want to have, you know, not to be so more conspicuous, let's say, you can do it like that. There's many people that wear them on the roads, on motorcycles, on street machines, super sports, whatever. There's no limitation. I know it's ATV, okay? ATV means all-terrain vehicle. I know it's ATV protective armor, okay? It's supposed to be off-road, but that does not limit you. So, without further ado, 41 euro, baby. Motowolf, that's the brand. Don't know if it's worldwide or not. And it's beautiful. Level 2 protection. Hard plastic all over the place. Bends like this. It's got big, huge sponges. It's got foam. This is why I'm saying it's not that 3D printed gradual material. It's foam. Obviously, Alpine Star and other brands will have, I'm guessing, better quality when it comes to those parts. Obviously, the company has to save somewhere. They're not going to use the same thing, but again, it's relative. So, the application is you just wear it. I will demonstrate it a little bit just to see underneath. All you have is that perforated fabric, and obviously, if you go down, this is going to tear. You know what I mean? You can see. I'll put it on. This is an extra large. It's got a sleeve for your hand, or if you want, you could just wear it like that. You don't have to put your finger through it. And you can wear your gloves above it. You can wear it however you want. You can see that it is good fit for my size. I hope it can be seen as well with the camera on a bigger angle. I'm quite overweight when it comes to kilograms. I'm 115 kilograms, so I'm a little bit of a fat bastard, you might call me. Obviously got a bit of dad bod, belly fat and everything. This is the biggest size that was available, which is the extra large. Because the material is very flexible, I can wear it. Should I have lost a couple of pounds, couple of kilos? Yes. It doesn't get too stressed because it's elastic. Put that in like that, put that above like this, and you zip it up. It's got a protective thing here which covers the thingy. It's got side sponges, it's got this hard plastic with the protection below. Last thing you do, you put this. Again, very flexible, but it's on the edge. So, also because I had an umbilical hernia surgery, this actually helps, supports me better. When it comes to setting it up, doing this will actually loosen up this, or as simple as that, will tighten it down. This is as tight as you can get. Okay, so the fitness is good, you can't feel nothing. Okay, the back side movement, it's got side things here for your kidneys and stuff. It's got protection at the back. These are just the sponges, but this is hard. Okay, it's comfortable. You can see through here. And just sit down, I don't know if you can see it. So you tighten it down. There's also these things here you tighten down. And that's pretty much it. Motowolf, 41 euro. You know, not 280, not 250, for the fucking love of Christ, you know what I mean? For the love of fucking Christ. And like I said, it might be better on quality if you're going to get something which is more expensive. I don't doubt that, obviously. But, let's say it rips, get another one. Get another one. Like, in order for me to reach the 280, I have to get 10 of these. Like, for the love of God. Not 10, you get what I'm saying. It's beautiful, like I said, I've worn it. The only thing that is during the ride, sometimes when I want to rest, I've got one hand on the bike and I try to put this slips. It's pointless, I know, but I'm just saying. The only thing that I've seen different. When it comes to the movement, the flexibility, it's beautiful. It offers you protection, and when I say offers you protection, let's put things into perspective, because I don't want to see silly fucking comments. If I was not wearing this, it's so hot outside that I would have worn the t-shirt. So the question you gotta ask yourself is this offering any type of protection more than just a t-shirt? Yes, there you go. Zip it. That's it, guys. I'd like to thank for your time. For whoever is new to this or was not aware of this or see this for the first time, it is worth it. It looks cool, it looks fucking awesome. There's no shame. You don't need to worry about like, oh, what will I look like? Don't give a fuck, you know what I mean? You do this for yourself, not to look fucking cool, not for people to tease you, not for like, oh, what are you looking at? Because I heard silly comments, you know what I mean? From friends, some of them are joking, like, you look like a fucking Delta Force, you know what I mean? You look like this. I don't give a fuck, you know what I mean? The point of this is not to wear it and pretend I'm like, cool, yo, man. Okay, I'm a married guy with a fucking I'm a father, married and shit, I ain't in the mood to fucking get chicks. If you're younger and you want to impress, perhaps, I don't know, I can't tell you. Motowolf, body armor it's called, or protective armor, but if you type in Motowolf you will see it, 44 euro. It's very, very worth the money. And even me sitting down like this now, because this is very thin layer, let's say, very preparative, I don't get as hot. That's another thing that I noticed. I was wearing it inside my room a little bit. I took it out for like 30 minutes just to see how hot I get, same weather, same day, and then I throw on my summer jacket. The summer jacket I got more hot, because there are perforations, but on the summer jacket it's on specific places. Usually there's a front panel, some of them have logos, they got the stickers, they got the pockets, they got this, all these things do not exist here. That is something that you might want to keep in mind. So another thing is that on my summer jacket, because I got pockets, whenever I want to have like some change for the toe gates and stuff, I've got it in my pocket. That's another thing which is more difficult. Here you don't have access to your pockets, but because it's very slim, you have access to your pants, you know what I mean? Whereas the jacket usually, instead of putting it on your pants, you put it here. So that's something to keep in mind. It's yeah, I'm very, very happy with the purchase that I've done. I had inspected it in generally just to see how it's stitched. It's double stitching all over the place. Like, it looks to be good quality so far. If something goes off and it breaks down, I don't give a shit. It's as simple as that. It's literally 40 euro. 40 euro, like even if the fucking thing comes off, okay, I'll put it on the sun. I said, okay, it was not worth it. But for the time being, the abuse that I've done to it, you know what I mean? I'm rolling on the floor on purpose, you know what I mean? I was playing with my son and he told me, you know, where and we'll wrestle. Anyway, for the things that I've done, it seems that it holds up. Okay. That's about it, guys. If I do see something different, or if something changes along the way, or if I see that, you know, something goes wrong, for example, I will update everybody. I will let you know. But like I said, for the time being, very flexible, very comfortable. You can't feel it. It's beautiful. I recommend it to everybody. 40 euro. Simple as that. You know what I mean? That's like, I can't say anything more. Anyway, that's about it, guys. Thank you for your time. And I'll bid you goodbye. Goodbye.